Hey Ninja, today we're hitting two things at once. Hitting the workout and hanging out with my little man. A lot of these workouts you can do with the medicine ball, but since I got my little guy here, he's gonna hit it with me.
Like badass skills and tactics? Subscribe and hit the bell.
Here are some classic ways that we can all stay fit, whether you're a parent or not. So yeah, a lot of these workouts can be done with a baby or with a kid, a medicine ball, weights. You can even do them without anything, just using your body weight really. So depending on your fitness goal, you can determine the correct amount of reps. For lean muscle, do many lightweight reps. For bulk muscle, do less reps at more weight. So depending on your fitness level, a baby may be light or heavy to you. That's going to help determine the correct amount of reps. Now since I am using my boy, he weighs about 15-16 pounds, I'm going to be going for like muscle endurance here. So I'm going to be in the range of like 10 to 12 reps on each of these exercises. I'll also say I could be doing more sets, but I'm doing this with no rest and getting a full body workout in.
Somebody likes that, huh?
So one thing you can do too is split it up and just do the curl. Or you can just do the press.
So I'm going to go ahead and speed through the rest of these exercises. I just wanted to give you some ideas for workouts you can do. So I hope these help you, I hope these inspire you.
Be sure to hit that like button. I'd love to be a part of your journey, so subscribe. And until next time, stay badass. Follow us on Facebook at Badass Mindset.